Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn how to draw and color a rainbow lollipop. First we use black color for outlines. We draw spirals from the middle like these. Then we draw a circle. Very good. Then we draw a stick and in the last we draw a bow. That's good. Time to color. First we choose palette color. Try to stay inside the lines. Very good. Then we use pink color. A very bright color. Now we use yellow color. Very good. Then we use sky blue color. Great job. In the last we use red color. Use brown color for the stick. Then we use yellow color. And in the last we use pink color. Done. Your lollipop is ready. Allah Hafiz.